Ow! Ow! This is how to make the sound of something like a bone breaking or something. Mini shotgun microphone by Sony. Eggshell. Paper towel. Celery. Wet the paper towel a little bit, not too much. Okay, so it's a little soggy. There we go. Wrap the eggshell in the paper towel. And then we have a pair of pliers and a pinky. Ow! Of course, I didn't really press it on it at all. I just pretended to. And of course, if we cut it in a reaction shot, we can have ow! Ow! Like that. And nothing actually happened, but through the magic of sound design, it sounds painful. I'm using Sony Vegas Pro 11. I recorded the sound effect on my video camera. Right click, select audio only, drag and drop it onto a audio track. Okay, now over here I'm going to grab my celery. Right click, select audio only, drag and drop it onto another track. Line them up more or less. Oh, just a little bit of eggshell. So now I have the picture on top. Here's my reaction shot. Whatever's on top is what you see. And on the second track, I synced up the visual of my finger being crunched. Ow! Ow! It's a very cheap and effective produce sound effect.